Hey guys, it's Kip here from KDC Marketing, and in today's video I want to show you the new Wix automation where you can schedule your website to publish inside of Wix Studio. So I'm going to go in and do this in a Wix Studio website just to show you how to do it, but now you can schedule your website to publish, whereas before you weren't able to do that. So I'm going to go into my sites. I'm going to select this site here, which is a Wix Studio website. And as it's loading, it's going to put me in the website dashboard. And then I'm going to go over to the automations, to the automation section here of the dashboard and click on this. And I'm going to create a new automation up here in the top right corner. So I'm going to click new automation. I'm going to click start from scratch. And then I'm going to build this automation to schedule my website to publish at a certain time. So over here, I have to select my trigger first inside of the automations. So I'm going to do this one right here at the top called scheduled time. So I'm going to click that and I'm going to set a date and time. So I'm just going to set it for next Friday. And I don't want it to repeat. I just want to do it this once. So then I click apply. And then I need to add a action. So I go in after I click apply and I add an action. And one of the actions that I can do is publish site. So this is the action that's going to happen when this trigger happens, which is a specific date and time. So I'm going to click publish site and I'm going to click apply. And then this would publish my website at this scheduled time as soon as I activate it over here. So I'm just going to put this in for me, schedule site publication. I might put the date here, Friday, June 20th, whatever you want to call that, and then you would hit activate and save. So activate, and that kind of saves it out here. So at this date and time, my site will be published. And this would be really good if you had something that was some kind of promotion or you had some kind of update that you wanted to go live at a certain time. And of course, you might want to come back and make sure that that thing actually published correctly. But before, you weren't able to schedule that inside of Wix Studio, and now you can using these automations. And so you could do it to where it was repeating. If I go back into my automation here and I edit it, if I go into my trigger, let's say I want it to publish every week at a certain time. Once this loads, I can go into my trigger and turn on the ability to repeat. And it has a few options every day, week, or month. And you can set an end time too for this automation. So I'm not going to have it repeat just because I don't want it to. And let's say that I decided that I don't want my automation to actually happen. I would just go into this automation and set it as inactive. And as soon as it's inactive, then this automation will not run and my website will not publish at that date. But I could also make it active if I wanted to. Or I could edit it and I can do lots of different things, or I could duplicate this. If I'm getting into the habit of scheduling my sites to publish, maybe I want to duplicate this automation and use it for another time to publish. So just wanted to show you that new feature because it's not in the website editor next to the publish button. You have to schedule the publish here in the automations section in the dashboard of your website. It's a good feature. It's something that they've needed for a while, and now it's possible. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.